What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some wrenching on the Accord. We actually have an exhaust gasket that's blown out. It's a two-piece header, so there's a top half and a bottom half that goes underneath the car, and the gasket that sandwiches in between the two is actually blown out. Now this is the fourth time I'm going to be replacing this gasket, so hopefully this time it seals the deal and we'll be good to go. So let's get the bottom half of this header off and see what we're working with. All right, so if we come over here and look at the car before I get it completely off, there is the gasket. Let's zoom in. There we go. There it is. You can clearly see that there's some black on that, and it's definitely leaking, and you can definitely hear it, believe me. So let's finish getting the bottom half off, and I'll show you that gasket. So now here's the gasket that we actually pulled out of this thing. It was a homemade MLS gasket, and it held up for a little bit, but until it didn't. It obviously got warped or distorted somehow and melted the circle. They were perfect circles because I did use a hole saw, but that's beside the point. Now, we're going to be using this guy. This is a SCE gasket. The part number, if you can see it right there, is 9400. And this is kind of a universal two-hole header gasket. The awesome part about this gasket is it actually tells you which direction it needs to go. That says this side out. And then the other awesome part is it actually lines up with our bolt holes. We will have to make one small modification. Now the biggest difference between the gasket that I made and this SCE gasket here, yep, I got a second one just in case, is that it's actually got a raised edge around the rings, and hopefully that helps seal off the ports. It's got it on both sides, so this should crush and seal. Hopefully that'll help seal it and then solve this problem once and for all. Let's get the car put back together. There we have it. So before we put it back on the ground, I wanted to show you guys what the bottom side looks like. This is why I want a new header. That is not good at all. Yeah. All right, it's all buttoned back up. Wide bands plugged back in. There's our gasket. If you can see it, looks good. Hopefully it seals up nice. There we go. And we don't have to worry about this anymore. Let's see, let's get in the car. Make sure our wide band still works. That's really the only thing that we unplugged. There it goes. It finally warmed up. So looks like it's working just fine. Start the car and see if you have any leaks. So with my fiance's CRV back in the garage and the Accord back outside, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. Check out the other 2 videos that I've got posted. And if you want to be notified when I post a video, then hit that bell icon. Please leave comments below on things I could improve upon or things that you want to see on the channel. With that being said, till next time.